The easiest way to schedule an appointment with Pipe Doctor Home Services is to go to our website at pipedoc.net. Click on the red link on the bottom of the page called Book Online. Click on Plumbing, Trip Charges, and Diagnostic Fees. Our normal trip charge, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. is $115. If you require an emergency trip charge for emergency service during the day or at evening hours, click on the emergency trip charge, which has a $225 associated cost. For this example, we'll click on the plumbing trip charge. You'll add that to the booking if there's only one issue you want us to look at, and give us a brief description like, I have a clogged main sewer line and I need the anode rod changed in my water heater. You can also include photos to help us better serve you. You can also add more services. You would then click Book Service. You type in your name, your phone number, your email address, the address where we're going to service you, and click the box to consent to receive a text message for statuses of this service call. Hit next and you'll be good to go.